So what's the topic now? Functions. Okay. So before starting functions, you have seen where practically we are using there. Okay. So function. Okay. Function is denoted by what keyword? Def. Okay. So def is the keyword. In the Python, anywhere you are able to see def word, it is what? Function. Okay. What is function again? Only when it is what? Called. Okay. A function gets executed only when it is what? Called. If you won't call the function, call function to get what? Executed. If I don't call the function, then not gets executed. Okay now. So let us see in the basic types now. Okay, lengthy topic, but we have to go fast. Why? Because one part, if you understand clearly, all the parts will be clear. Okay. So focus properly. Okay. The writing part you can write later. Okay. Now, when I'm saying this, see, okay, because here 95% will be having the doubt. If you're seeing somewhere writing, doing, seeing, doing, whatever it is, 95% chance that you won't understand the topic. Okay. So clearly proper concentrate. Okay. So def I wrote, what is the function name here? Greet. Okay. So this is what function name. I'm writing short there. Function name. Okay. Then what I wrote inside the function there? Hello. Okay. If I don't pass this greet there, then what will happen if I run the code? Nothing is going to happen. Anything happen in the code there? No. So what I have to do if I want to run this program? Call the function name. What is the function name? Greet. Then what happens? Code gets what now? Executed. If I pass suppose wrong name now, greet. Will the code work now? No. What I'll get now? Total name error, name gree is not defined. Okay. So you have to pass the function name very properly there. Okay. Then yesterday I told you one topic also. If I write suppose self there, yes or no? Because what topic I have to explain at the last that I told yesterday only self. Okay. Suppose I'm passing there what now? Self. Okay. Self is what? One argument I'm passing there. One kind of a argument. Now if I call this function, will it get executed now? No. But if I want to run this program, then how? Object. Okay. Okay. Tell me object now. Okay. A equal to greet. Okay. A dot greet. Means yesterday not practice. Got the point. There I have used yesterday topic with what a class and function. Okay. There I have what a class and function. Here we are doing what basic now. Okay. We don't have any class here. Okay. So no need of creating the object, all those things. When we have the class there, that time we have to create. But we don't have no class. Basic program we're doing now. Okay. So just pass what a greet. So now I'll tell you how to do these things. Okay. So first is the basic there now. Okay. We're not doing any class programs now. We are doing just what now? Basic function programs. So if I just pass this one now, code correct or not now? Correct. What is the answer now? Hello. Properly focus because this topics will be again for next 7 days you can say. But one single doubt here, khatam. So focus properly. Now in the function, I have passed how many arguments? This called as what now? Argument. Okay. Let me write here. This is called as what? First of all, function name. In short, I write as f name. And what this is called as a argument. It is called as what? Argument. Okay, it is called as what? Argument. So how many arguments I pass there? One. So this part is called as what? Declaration. It is called as what? Declaration. If I have passed one argument there, at the time of calling also I have to pass something there. At the time of calling also I have to pass something there. So let me show once there. I have passed what now? HD. This you want to print name or not, it is your choice, but not compulsory. Let me just show you once now. What is the answer now? What if I pass in the name now? HD. What will come? Hello space. What is the name I'm passing there? HD. If you don't want to pass, don't pass. Your choice. Now what is the answer just now? Hello. Okay, now it is your choice. You want to pass or don't want to pass. But here I'm passing what to HD. Okay. Now, if I have multiple names, so as of now, how many names now? One name there, okay. But if I have 2 names, 5 names, 10 names, so again I write the program once again. No. Just to pass the function name. In the function name, pass any name, what you want to print. I'm passing there what now? Py. So first what will get printed now? First time here now. Here. First, I'm calling first what? HD. So it will come hello space HD. After calling this first function, it will come out. Then it will go to what? Next function. Next function, what I'm calling there now? Py. What will come? Hello space py. So what is the function? Writing the code for one time, using for what? Multiple times. So writing the code for one time, using for what? Multiple times. One time I wrote the code, just passing the what? HDPY. My works it what? Very fast. So now run the code, both the outputs will come there. If you want to pass multiple names, you can pass multiple names also. So no doubts will be having, sir, if I pass only one name, all things will come now. Line by line will go there. Okay. Now, next one now. So before names, what I kept the now here? Star. It is called as what? Arguments. Okay, arguments. Where I don't know how many names I'm passing there now. I don't know. Here, how many names I passed? One. Again, to explain you, again I have to go there again now. Name, how many arguments I'm passing there? One argument now. One argument declared. If I pass now, suppose there what? Like something like a ER or RT something now. Declaration time, one argument I have passed. Calling time, how many I'm calling now? 2. Will not work. See there. Type error. Greet takes one positional argument, but 2 were given. So how many you pass arguments, that many you have to call. How many declared here? 1. So how many you have to call only? 1. So you can't pass multiple as you want. But how many times you should write this up? PhD, PY, your name, his name, her name. I don't know. Yes or no? So what I'll do, I will be passing before name there what? Star. Star means what? No limit. How many you want to pass the names, you can pass. Now. So def greet I wrote the same function name. Before name, what I'm keeping the not names. Star. You can take any name here, okay? Okay now. Not only name there, you can pass S, N, whatever it is there. So print hey comma names. -1 is what will come? Last one. That's it, last. Okay. So greet what I'm passing now. First of all, Python programming core functions. If I say I want the last one, -1. Or else in terms of place also you can count 0, 1, 2, 3. Now run the code. What came? If I wanted the first one there, 0. What will come now answer? Hey space. This comma will give you what space? Hey space Python. Okay, if I don't pass only now. So what we get in the form of what? Tuple. So if you want specific thing, you have to pass the what? index positions. If you don't pass index position, then you won't get. Then again, you have to use for loop. All those things are there again. Okay. So if you want whatever you want now, 0. If I want all the names, you tell me how. I want all the names. What topics you studied till now? The topics you have to utilize now. Okay. I can't say everything now. If I want only few names, then how? If I only want first 2 names, no? 0 need to pass 0. No. Up to where? 1, 2 or 3. I only want Python and programming only. Pass what? 2. So run the code. But if you want like this, hey space Python, next line hey Python, all those things, you have to use what? No separate. You have to use what? Follow all those things. Okay. So going with basic things now. Basic directly also can go, but you won't be able to understand. Now what is the function name now? First of all, details. How many arguments it has? 2 arguments. So I'm passing n value. First of all, you have to see here. Okay. Place n means what? Concatenation means the value of n, whatever I'm passing, should be what? String. If I pass a number something, will it work there? No. And again here pass what? str of a. Okay, fine. Means what? Whatever number you're passing or whatever you're passing will be converted to what type? String type. So what will come now? Hey, I'm passing what? N value what? HD. A value what? 25. What will come? Hey space HD space. This will come. Think once. This will be counted. No. Hey space HD. Then again what I have there? Not symbol will come. So how it will come? Hey space will come on space HD exclamation mark, then space will come. Your age is. Your age is space will come. What will come there? 25. If I pass again this one, last one also function, then what will come there? Hey space HD. Next, your age is. Your age is space 26. So now run the code once. Only one we got. Why? Because I did not keep comment, remove comment for what? 17th line. Okay, I'll remove the comment for 17th line now. Both the outputs will get there. So run the code. Yes. Clear? Okay. Now, next one. Now, in this case, what I'm doing now, taking the n value and the a value from the user. Okay. Because that is our ultimate goal. Last goal is what? We have to somehow take the input from the user. Okay. So n will be again what type again there here now? String. Again here what I'm doing the type conversion. Okay. So run the code, will pass some name. So pass some name there. SD and age here what? 26. What will be the answer now? Hey space SD exclamation mark space your age is 26. Came now. So I have to remove the comment. Now what will come? Answer thing once and say. Hey, all this will come now. Now this will work. So what will come now here? If I pass HD and 26, what will come? Hey space HD exclamation mark your age is space 26. Clear this program? I'll come down like after 1 hour you can ask. Okay, because now topics are not over. Because what doubts you have in your mind, that all will be there here below. Okay, I have everything what below there. Okay, so once topic is over, then you can ask doubts. Last. Okay. Now, def I wrote. What's the function name here now? R. Return I wrote there. Okay. Return just what I'm passing there, x into y. Suppose if I pass different names here, what is suppose u into y? Is there any variable u? I have declared what variable there, x here in this case. Declared what variable there, x. So pass here also what, x. Here what I'm doing there, x into y means what, multiplication part. So what is the value of x here now? 5. Y value 6. So 5 into 6 how much? Sir, I want to even what? I even want x plus y also. So can you do like this? X plus y. Will you get the answer or no? Or what do you think will come? So see here once, run the code. How it is coming 30, 11? Because it is treating as what, this one as a tuple. Treating as what? Tuple. What is 5 into 6? 30. Comma means comma will come, tuple. 5 plus 6 how much? 11. If I pass suppose here x minus y. Now it will come what now? First what will come 30 comma 11 comma minus 1. 5 minus 6 what? Minus 1. Clear? Okay. Below. So by seeing this program, what do you think we'll get now? Multiplication and what? Addition. How we'll get it, side by side or how? Side by side. So we'll pass some values. Suppose p value will pass as what? 2. And q value will pass as what? 3. So what will happen here now here? P comma q. 6 comma. First of what will come? 6, then 2 plus 3, 5. That's it or anything else more? That's it, yes or no? So now run the code. I'll pass the p value as what, 2 and q value as what, 3. Yes. Okay. Okay, slowly it will increase. Okay. So first part is clear. Huh? You want to write later or no? Okay. Want to write now? Write now, fast. I won't give much time. Okay. I'll just give you 3 minutes of time. Why? Because this topic I can't give a break. Make a note down fast. Yes, has everyone applied for TCS or not? Everyone. Those are already applied with got a different mail ID. Photo upload and everything done. Photo, resume. Then what he applied? Whom he applied? Those have not applied, apply after the class. Okay. And maybe 1 minute. Saturday, yeah? 8th. 8th we don't know, na? So tomorrow's class will talk about the resume part. Why? Because something happens also, so that you can in the middle, I can tell you the task, what I'm expecting from you. Okay. You have to create one PPT, slides, all those things which you have to upload in the naukri.com, all those things. Then you have to update your resume. Okay. So tomorrow's class will be discussing these things. Okay. Because Friday, again. So Friday also class will be there, but that much I won't be settled. Mine won't be settled again. 8th we will be having, but doubt is it. So that's why I won't want to take risk. Tomorrow we'll take. Okay. Because as that I can tell you what are things you can do to planning there. Because I think 16th is the last day for applying the TCS. So what things you have to keep in the resume, what not to keep, what are the PPTs you have to prepare and keep, hacker rank, code chef, I told you, solo learn, W3 schools. Then I have to tell you about the PCP and MTA Python. Few things are left. So tomorrow I want to discuss those things. Okay, now. So tomorrow don't be absent. If I have any work also, I'll cancel tomorrow's. Okay, but class will be there. Fine. Because again, I can't waste for others people time now. Okay, it's done. Clear? Okay, now let's see this next part. So we have basic built-in functions also. Like already have seen, but if I have not seen, just see once here. What are the basic already predefined functions? So here we don't need to use import all those things. Okay, simplify sort this ones. Sorted 12, 3, 129. If I sort them, first of all, I'm passing sort or sorted. Sorted. So if you sometimes you want to sort the things, but every time you can't take like what things list, or you can take list also fine. But after I did store in some element, then do sort all those things. Directly we can't do, yes or no? Suppose if I have like this, a equal to, or suppose a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or suppose a equal to 1, 6, 3, 8, 2. Okay, like this I want to sort them. How can I do? Suppose if I do print sort A, will come this like this. What I have to do there? A dot sort. Yes or no? Then it will get sorted there. Working, huh? First I have to what to do? You forgot. I don't know why. First I have to sort them. A dot sort. Then call now. So how many lines I'm wasting now? 3 lines. Just to sort and get the value, I am wasting how many lines? 3 lines. But just I have given some elements. I'm asking you to what to do? Sort them. So in the interview, you can't waste this much. We take one variable, write the element, store the elements, then do sort, then try to print. They'll feel boring again. That much time they won't wait. Or they'll wait, not an issue, but not a good way. This also works. Yes or no? But instead of doing all those things, simply what you can do now, sorted. What will get sorted now? How the elements will come now? First will come 3, 9, 12, 120. You can sort list also, you can sort a tuple also. So run the code. Fine. Make a note of this one fast. So whenever I say sort few things, whatever it is sorted, sort few things, what you can do simply sorted, you apply directly. But when I say take a list and then sort, then take a list. Okay. store in variable, then try to sort, then try to print. Shall I take the class up to 4? Because only for your sake I came this time. Done. Next step, what I have now? All. Okay. So see one focus. Okay. When I'm saying now, just focus, because this will be very important, very old, but very, very important. This is old, yes or no? This is old technique, but useful or not useful? Useful. Simply why to waste 3 lines? Just what sorted there, khatam, over, work is over. And these are called as what? Predefined functions, where I don't need to use import all those things. There are what? Already built in, you can say, built-in functions. That's a topic also you can see, built-in functions. Okay, now what I have there now? All. If you see my list there, what I have there? True, true, 1, 2. So do I have anything there false or something 0 there? No. So if I run this total line, I'll be getting as what? True. I'll be getting as what? True. Now, if you check the 12th line there, I have one of them is what there? False. So if any one of them is false, I'll get there as what? False. If any one of them is also none, again check there. Clear screen, run the code. Again I get there as what? False. But suppose if I have there what? 0. In place of none, I have the what now? 0. Now again clear screen once, run the code. So when will you get to false, or in the output when you're using all method, in the list or the tuple, whatever it is, if you're having what? False first of all, if you're having 0, if you're having what? None. Then in the output, when using all method, you get the answer as what? False. Or else you get the answer as what there? True. Make a note of this one. You can take any values. So reason for false, we can say what? Reason for getting false. All method contains false, 0, none. If remaining things are there, we'll get as what?